In the heart of rural Bangladesh, the rainy season transforms endless rice fields into shallow wetlands. What was once farmland becomes a natural playground filled with life beneath the water. For generations, village children have eagerly waited for these flooded days. The moment the fields fill with water, they gather with simple handmade fishing tools, laughter, and endless excitement. This is more than just catching fish. It's a tradition passed down from their grandparents and great-grandparents. Working together, they search the flooded fields for native freshwater fish, learning patience, teamwork, and respect for nature along the way. Every catch tells a story of a culture that has survived through generations. These small, indigenous fish are an important part of rural life, providing fresh food for families while keeping the connection between people and nature alive. In a world that is changing rapidly, scenes like these remind us that some of the most meaningful traditions don't come from modern technology. They come from the land, the water, and the memories shared between generations. This is the timeless spirit of rural Bangladesh, where childhood, community, and nature come together in perfect harmony.